Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I cover a glass jar with polymer clay mosaic pieces. So let's go get started. I sliced my canes and then made random cuts in each slice. I put them together on my mat, just kind of in a random pattern, fitting them together. The goal is to not have any separate seams. I then used my roller to flatten it out and then used some other clay tools to try to get rid of all the seams. I then apply the Sculpey Bacon Bond to the glass in a thin coat, and then I will apply my piece of clay to it and then fill in any areas. Be sure to press down all over the piece of clay completely so that you don't get any air bubbles underneath. I finished the piece doing the other sides, and then it was time to bake. I then baked in my oven for about 40 minutes at 275 degrees. To finish, I sealed with a light coat of the Sculpey sealer. This one is a satin finish. You don't have to do this. It's totally fine if you don't want to. You can also use Renaissance wax or any other glossy type of sealer. And here's our finished jar. It's all baked and sealed. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching.